Hello, am I audible now? Yeah, there is some network issues nahi hai, but there is issues with the Zoom app today. It's showing an error code to me. Anyways, let's see if it happens again. Then, if it happens, it should not. But if it happens again, then I'll continue the meeting after. Then I'll take it at 11. Then hopefully it should not happen now. Okay. So where was I? Yeah, I was at direct power. So power is actually an indirect cost. It should come under factory, but because the word direct is associated with power now, so it will be treated as direct cost under direct expenses. Okay, remember this. Next is technical director's salary. Again, the same problem with this. Now, what will happen? Student will look at this word, director's salary, and the student will put it under what? Office overheads. But the student has to look into this word also, technical director salary. Technical director is the engineer who looks after the what do you call repairs and maintenance of the factory assets. I repeat, technical director is nothing but he is an engineer who looks after the repairs and maintenance of the factory related assets. So that is why this will go to factory overheads. Am I clear about technical director? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Is technical director salary point clear to everyone? Okay, fine. Next, factory rent rates and insurance. This will go to factory. Sale of factory scrap will be less from factory overheads. Depreciation on factory buildings, factory overheads. Closing WIP less from factory overheads. Factory stationery. Obviously, the factory mein jayega. If it is only stationery, then it will go to office overheads. Okay. Opening stock of finished goods, cost of add to cost of production. And as I told you, this is a what do you call it? Printing error. This is actually closing stock of raw material. Okay, so less from raw material. Then fees to brand ambassador, selling and distribution, stationery and printing. See, this will go to admin. Okay, see the difference. This is factory stationery, and see this is stationery and printing. I told you, no, if it is only stationery, it will go to office admin. And if it is factory stationery, then it will go to factory. Next, staff salary obviously will go to office. Trade discount is not a part of cost sheet. It's a financial expense, so it will not come in cost sheet. Office rent, office. Free sample expenses. This is what advertisement, the selling and distribution. Closing stock of finished goods, less from cost of production. Okay. Sales are made to earn profit at the rate 10% on cost price. So this will help me to find my sales profit 10% on cost price. Okay. So start. First we'll write a note for items which we are not taking in cost sheet. So there is only one item, that is trade discount, which we are not taking in cost. So write a note for it. Well, note number one, trade discount. Trade discount is a financial expense excluded from cost sheet. You can even write trade discount is a non-cost item excluded from cost sheet. Okay, both the notes are same. Either of the one you write. Trade discount is a financial expense excluded from cost sheet. Okay, now start with the exam. Prepare this cost sheet for the year ended. Units produced sold is not given in the question. Okay, so cost per unit कराने की जरूरत नहीं है. So prepare this cost sheet for the year ended. I mean the year is not mentioned, so you can leave it blank. Units produced, units are not given, so write nil. Make two amount columns. Yeah. First direct cost, then direct material cost. So as per the question, there are only two items, three in fact. Okay. So 1,10,000 plus 8,25,000 minus 36 lakh 36,920. 36,920. So the answer is 8,98,080. Just a minute. 8,98,080. Okay. What are we doing? Inner column, total in the outer column. Okay. Opening plus purchase less closing. Direct wages 4,21,400 and direct expenses. In that I have direct power 25,840. Okay. Total it 4,21,400 plus 25,840. So my answer is 13,45,320. 13,45,320. Okay. So this is my prime cost done. Next we are going to add direct cost. Sorry, indirect cost. So next come to add the second part of your cost sheet. That is indirect cost. Okay. That first factory overheads. Okay. Let us see factory overheads where what we have. This is done. This is done. Yeah, technical director's fees. It is how much? 40,590. 40,590. Technical director's salary. Okay. Next, factory rent, rates and taxes. 10,140. 10,140. Factory rent, rates and taxes. Okay. Next, factory scrap for the last may we will deduct. Then depreciation on factory building 75 to 100. Okay. Factory building depreciation 75 to 100. 75 to 100. Next, closing stock. Last may we will take factory stationery. 1 lakh, no, sorry, 12,340. Factory stationery. 12,340. Next, this is done, this is done, this is also done. Fine. Then total this part. Okay, just total that part. 4,590 plus 10,140 plus 75,200 plus 12,340. So my answer is 1,38,270. 1,38,270. Okay, and now I will subtract my sale of factory scrap. Okay, sale of factory scrap. How much was that? Here, sale of factory scrap 1460. Okay, 1460. Okay, take it in the outer column now. Okay, take this in the outer column. 1,38,270 minus 1460. 1,36,810. Okay. Now, once you are in the outer column, you will add the previous total. This time cost plus factory overheads. Okay. Yeah. Then what do we get? This is known as gross factory cost. Add plus 13,45,320. The answer is 14,82,130. 14,82,130. Fine. Next, add opening stock of WIP less closing stock of WIP. Okay. This will give me net factory cost. Net factory cost. Okay. Let us check how much is opening stock of factory. closing stock of WIP is 1,20,260. 1,20,260. So write it here. 1,20,260. And opening stock of WIP is opening stock of WIP closing to ITO. Okay. Great. Opening stock of WIP is not there in the question. Good. So write here nil. Okay. Just write nil. The answer is 1361,870. Okay. 1361,870. Okay. Next, I'll be adding admin overheads. Okay. Let's see what you have in admin overheads. Admin overheads. I have office rent 60,000. So right here. Office rent 60,000. 60. Next. Staff salary 6,30,000. Okay. So office salary 6,30,000. Next. Printing and stationery. It is 12,200. Bacha. Printing and stationery 12,200. 12,200. Yeah, start giving your attendance also simultaneously in the chat box. Next. Okay, so that's it. There is nothing else in admin overheads. So take the total in the outer column. Total this 60 plus 6,30,000, 6,90,000. So 6,90,000 plus 12,200. 7,02,200. Okay. 7,02,200. Then add the previous total. 20,64,70. Okay. So just write here cost of production. Cost of production. And then add opening stock of finished goods less closing stock of finished goods. Okay. This will give you cost of goods sold. Okay. Let me check how much is opening stock or finished. Closing stock to दिया है 50,240. So 50,240. Next, opening stock of finished goods 45 to 80. 45 to 80. Check. Plus 45 to 80 minus 50 to 40. So the answer is 20 lakh 59 110. 20 lakh 59 110. Okay. And last, to this I will add my selling and distribution. So selling and distribution. So in this, what do we have? Selling and distribution, 3 samples, 20,320. So right here, 3 samples, 3 samples, 20,320. Next, this is done, this is done. Brand ambassador fees, this is 2 lakhs. Brand ambassador fees, 2 lakhs. Next, this is also done, this is also done, this is also done. Carriage outward, 28,500. Okay. Carriage outward, 28,500. Okay. Then what do we get? We total all this, we get cost of sales. Okay. Take the totals in the outer column. Then इसके बाद we will add profit. And finally we will get sales. Okay. So this is what we are supposed to do. So just note this down. The other part and do this. Clear about this? And then take this total in the outer column. Okay? Next lecture, I'll share the final answer I'll share with you. Okay. then total this, get cost of sales, profit, and sales you can calculate. Okay. So the ahead part you can do it. Just try that.